Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to automate Excel sheet by inserting one row or two rows after a specified rows. For example, we want to insert two rows after every 50 rows. Okay, for that we need some VBA code, but those who don't know about VBA code, don't worry about it. We are going to use only ChatGPT. ChatGPT gives every steps so that we can do very easily. Let's start it. Log into ChatGPT. Simply, we have some 500 plus rows in Excel. Please automate by insert two row with red color formatting after 50 rows by VBA with complete steps. Okay. So we have given clear instruction. It give all steps. Okay. So first we need to open Alt F11. Alt F11. Okay. Then insert module. Then whatever code is written here, just copy. Okay. Then come back here. Paste it here. Here it is given as a sheet 1. That should be changed as a actual Excel file name. So it should be sales. That's all. Then close it. This part is over. Now Alt F8. Just make sure that the cursor should be on first row. Use F8. So automatically it is come insert row. Simply run it. After 50 rows, automatically it inserted two rows and with colors. This will be very useful when there are huge databases are there, huge rows are there, we can identify. In the same way, we can be able to create separate tab also based on this. By insert separate tabs for each rows. Data into separate tabs. Copy. Before doing any VBA activities, keep original file intact, then do on duplicate files or rename it with the same file. Simply insert here module, just paste. Again the same process here. Instead of sheet 1, just change it as sales. Just make as sales here. Okay, just save it. For that, just close it. Automatically it will return to Excel. Now let's try insert tab. Run. Here 50. This will be very useful when huge data in one sheet, this can be split to different tabs so that we can be able to create separate Excel sheet to open very fastly. If you like this video, please share it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.